In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Match and Meet dating app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so by updating your Match and Meet dating app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any errors or any issues related to your app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So to get started, all you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then search for this app. So for that, I'll go back and then go to my Play Store because I'm on Android. And here you can see my Match and Meet dating app is here. And as you can see, we have an update. So if I tap on it, we have an option to update this app to the latest version. So if I go ahead and tap on this, it will go ahead and download the latest version of Match and Meet dating app and then install it on my smartphone. Once the installation is done, you'll have the latest version of this app. Proceed and now open and start using it. So that's how you can update and get the latest version of Match and Meet dating app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.